We all know that drinking water regularly is good for the body. But most of us probably don't realize just how important being properly hydrated is for our health. In fact, every system in the human body counts on water to function. Approximately 2/3 of the adult human body is made of water. And did you know your tissues and organs are mainly made up of water? Your brain is 80% water, your muscles, including your heart, are 75% water, your blood is 83% water, your lungs are 90% water, your skin is 64% water, and even your bones are 30% water. It is important to think of water as a nutrient your body needs. When you're in need of brain-healthy nutrients, you might also be at a disadvantage, but don't forget to start with hydration. According to one study, thirsty participants who drank water before performing cognitive tasks reacted faster than people who didn't drink water beforehand. Here are the top 5 benefits of drinking water. 1. Increases energy and relieves fatigue. Since your brain is mostly water, drinking it helps you think, focus and concentrate better and be more alert. As an added bonus, your energy levels are also boosted. 2. Promotes weight loss. Removes byproducts of fat, reduces eating intake by filling up your tummy if consumed prior to meals, reduces hunger, hello natural appetite suppressant. Raises your metabolism and has 0 calories. 3. Flushes out toxins. Gets rid of waste through sweat and urination, which reduces the risk of kidney stones and UTIs, urinary tract infections. 4. Improves skin complexion. Moisturizes your skin, keeps it fresh, soft, glowing and smooth. Gets rid of wrinkles. It's the best anti-aging treatment around. 5. Maintains regularity. Aids in digestion as water is essential to digest your food and prevents constipation.